Hi Rachel, just a quick run through of that mail merge facility. So I've opened up the document, the Word document that I emailed over. When you try and open that, it'll probably give you a message to say that it's trying to connect to the data source. So this data source is from the data view, the results of that data view, which is stored on either your desktop or a network drive. So I've just put this on my desktop just for ease here. So you can just say yes to this, and so if you replace, every time you extract the data view, you just replace that particular file, then when you open the Word document it will always look at that file, and you just click OK to that process. Should anything go wrong in that part of it, just get rid of that. You can come to, in the Word, you can go into mailings and you start the mail merge. It's really important that you select the directory. Okay, so once that's selected, and then you can select the recipients and use an existing list, because we have exported the data view and we've saved that on our desktop. So this one is just going to go through and give me a Windows Explorer, so I can go and find that particular thing. So I've put that on my desktop, as I said. Wherever it is you've saved it, it could be different. I'll put it into my OneDrive here. Yes, plan and clients, and under Eden Court for you. And debut example is the XSL. A new test is the one. You can call it whatever you like, and as long as it's an XSL document or a CSV, doesn't really matter. Click on that, open, and that will bring in that data from that Excel sheet to use in your document. So there we go, you can see there's testing, picking up new data, and I've clicked OK. Previewing when you're looking at a directory doesn't work, so if you finish and merge and edit the individual documents and click OK to all of them, what you should get then is a brand new Word document that appears with all of the mail merged information in it, which is just doing now, and it will automatically pop up when it's done all that merge for you, and there we go. So as you can see here, it's a little bit different to how we looked. This is to do with the sorting of that option, sorting the fields. So let's just close this document again, and we're going to go to edit recipient list in the Word document, in the mail merge one, and we're going to click some sorting options. So here we're going to put, you can play around with this as well, so I'm going to put the date, and then the start time, and then finally the location. Doing that in that sorting process will give you different results. So I'm just going to run that again for all events, and after a couple of seconds, a little bit slower on my machine because it's recording at the same time. It takes a bit of bandwidth up, but you can see you start to get this option. So it's a very different option there. Still at this point, the venues are all over the place, so I need to do a little bit of changing around. I'm just showing you options here really, to get to what you want. So I'm going to go back to my list, to the sort. This time I'm going to do dates, then I'm going to do location, and then I'm going to do start time. Clicking OK and OK, and again you just have to edit the individual documents each time. And remember, the preview results won't work, but it should ultimately come back with a new document in the right format. So now you can see that I've got each day, so Wednesday the 2nd of January, and it's going to go and sort them by the particular locations or the venues that you've got, all in alphabetical order, and then it rips through to the next day, and you can see all those things happening as well. So hope that makes sense. If it doesn't, please let me know, and we can go through it.